Edit and delete comments. Edit a review comment. Presentation reviewers can edit comments added by other reviewers. This changes the color of the review comment thumbnail and changes the initials to those of the current reviewer. Here's how to edit review comments. Click the markup icon. Go to the Review tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Comments group. Click on Edit Comment. Type your comments in the box. When you finish, click outside the comment box. Now the comment has been modified. Delete a review comment. Presentation reviewers can delete comments added by other reviewers, which changes the color of the review comment thumbnail and changes the initials to those of the current reviewer. If you want to delete a comment, do the following. Click the comment indicator that you want to delete. Go to the Review tab. Move your mouse to the Comments group. Click the Delete command. Now the comment is deleted. The markup icon is also called the Review Comment thumbnail. In this lesson, we have discussed how to edit and delete a comment. I hope you are clear with the concept of review comments. Working with resolution. Resolution is the term used to describe the number of dots or pixels used to display an image. Higher resolution means that more pixels are used to create the image, resulting in a crisper, cleaner image. Do the following. Go to the Slideshow tab. Place the mouse on the Monitors group. This contains 3 commands. They are Resolution, Use Presenter View, Show Presentation. The resolution option is used to change the screen resolution while running the presentation. Here are the steps to change the screen resolution. Go to the Slideshow tab. In the Monitors group, click the Resolution drop-down list. Here there are many choices available. Choose the 1024 by 768 resolution. Now your slide resolution has changed to 1024 by 768. To see the change, run the slideshow. Use Presenter View. This view allows you to project the full screen slide to one monitor while viewing a special speaker view on another monitor. This includes timings and speaker notes. This feature requires multiple monitors or a laptop with dual display capabilities. Show Presentation On. Choose a monitor on which you want to display the full screen slideshow. If you only have one monitor, or if you are using a laptop without an external monitor attached, this command is disabled. Now you are experienced with screen resolution, presenter view, and show presentation tools. Custom Slideshow. By creating custom shows in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007, you can adapt a single presentation for a variety of audiences. There are 2 kinds of custom shows. Basic. A basic custom show is a separate presentation or a presentation that includes some of the slides of the original. Hyperlinked. A hyperlinked custom show is a quick way to navigate to one or more separate presentations. To create a basic custom show, you should have more than one slide. Here are the steps. Go to the Slideshow tab and move the mouse to the Start Slideshow group. Click the arrow next to Custom Slideshow. Click on Custom Shows. The Custom dialog box appears. In the Custom Shows dialog box, click the New button. Type the custom slideshow name in the Slideshow Name box. Under Slides in Presentation, click the slides that you want to include in the custom show, and then click the Add button. Finally, click the OK button. Then click on the Show button to review the show. To create a hyperlink from the main show to a supporting show, here are the steps. Select the text that you want to represent the hyperlink. Go to the Insert tab. Move the mouse pointer to the Links group. Click on Hyperlink. Under Link To, click on the Place in This Document tab. Here there are many options. Click any one option you wish to make the hyperlink. And finally, click the OK button. Then run the show. When you click the hyperlink during the slideshow, the control will automatically transfer to the target slide. Now we have learned about customizing the slideshow.